The AliDropship custom store, also known as the turnkey dropshipping store. This service is specially offered for people who don't have time or those who have no prior knowledge about building a website but want to start a dropshipping business. Thanks to this service, you will definitely save time and effort, but also you will avoid a lot of mistakes which beginners do. AliDropship custom store is an all-inclusive service prepared by professionals. This is why thousands of people around the globe order ready custom stores from the AliDropship team. You get a fully functional website with already imported products ready for sale and a shopping cart which enables purchase procedure. So these are basically completely brand new websites that are created just for you. They range from $299 to $899 depending on the number of products you choose. As these stores are brand new, they don't have any history and are simply designed to give you a kickstart out of the door, so that you don't have to do the research or the store setup. It's very important to know that a one-time payment is only needed. You won't be charged any regular fee for your store, it's 100% yours. You probably think it's ridiculous to mention this, but still, you'd be surprised to learn that it's common for some platforms to keep control over stores that they have created for their customers. Furthermore, no percentage of your sale will be required of you, it's all yours to keep. And, you won't be charged any fees for processing your payment through any specialized service. However, the only inevitable additional cost you have to pay is for your hosting. What this means is that you have to pay some hosting provider to keep your website connect to the internet. Ordering the custom dropshipping store is quite simple. However, first thing first, you need to place an order. Then you are contacted by a personal project manager who will guide you through all the processes. You will be added to the relevant project on Basecamp, a special platform where you can easily monitor the activity around your store creation. Your project manager will be there for you all the time to answer all questions or receive your comments about the progress of the project. You get to discuss exactly what your preference should look like. The result of your store will be in the proportion of the details you provided for the specialists. They want to know exactly what you want to see in your store so as to provide you with the best service they can. You also get to follow every process of the project and leave your feedback. This way both teams are on the same track. AliDropship analysts will help you choose a niche, and they will take into account numerous factors: current trends, niche's potential for SEO, and a range of general parameters. The things that happen after this are domain purchase, setting up a hosting account, installing WordPress and AliDropship plugin, setting payment gateways, integrating Google Analytics, and also adding contact info at your site. They research the product offer on AliExpress and add the most popular and highly demanded items to your website. When your store is ready, you can easily add more products by yourself. Thanks to the AliDropship plugin, this procedure will not take much time. As soon as the store is ready, your project manager will provide you with guidance and instructions on how to manage the store and also promote it. Immediately they provided you with the access details to the store, you can run and amend it the way you want. In addition to this, you also get to enjoy lifelong support from AliDropship at no additional cost. The one-time fee for ordering the AliDropship custom store will give you the freedom to plan your business in detail. The custom store is of great help for those just stepping into the dropshipping world. That was it. I hope you enjoyed watching my in-depth review. Use the coupon code DWDeals to get 15% off when you purchase any of the AliDropship solutions. If you have any questions regarding dropshipping in general, let me know by commenting below.